Yeah.
Go, 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 go!
So, hope nobody is so childish that there are some people overtaking.
The BMW is sleeping.
Yeah.
The M4 is sleeping on the front. Just overtake it.
What is the tuned M3 doing?
Just remember, 2 car length.
So the guy who's leading, slow down a bit, so we can catch up.
Yeah, I'm driving 40 km.
Perfect.
Kilometers.
Okay, the Yaris is going off.
Yeah, like the M4 at the front. The Capriolo. My game froze, I think. Oh yeah, now it lagged just. I can't look back.
Ah, it's not a good idea.
What?
Just
What are you
use the
doing?
mirrors. When driving...
DT!
Wait, what?
Why did you stop?
I'm driving 40 at the same time.
Yeah, just go a little bit faster.
Okay.
Like 60, 70.
Yeah.
I'm 19 right now.
Yeah, that's right. What the? Why did you just turn into the fucking footstep? And I
My
crashed.
shit is so
Why,
I'm so loud.
Gustav, who is the M3 F81? Cause he's overtaking and you don't keep this.
I don't know that.
Oh shit, the Golf just crashed.
You mean Golf R or?
Yes, Golf R.
Yeah, it's the same person who crashed Gustav.
I will try to get into my position at the third because I need to be at front because I have no fucking FPS. So I'm gonna overtake, okay? Oh my god, no FPS. Yeah, I crashed, I don't know where, but I crashed. Yeah, I crashed, people, sorry. I just don't have FPS. I need to go at the front.
Oh no!
Oh no, fuck it. I lost my wheel.
Oh, that's not good.
Did you guys take a left or forward?
Where?
Yeah.
There is like a...
Left from pits and then just straight.
Just go straight and then the curves, the 180 curves.
Okay, here are only idiots in my way. Oh, people.
No, 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 no!
Who is it bad?
Chill out, guys,
Yeah.
chill out.
My PC is burning.
My PC is burning too, sorry.
Bro, but I crashed and I wasn't able to drive because I was fucking frozen the game. I crashed into like 5 people. When my game,
Tesla, man! It's overtaking everyone.
Who?
The Tesla.
Yeah.
Kick the Tesla.
Oh no, 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 no! Fuck, fuck! Sorry.
Who's in the Tesla? Wait.
Who's behind me?
There's 33 drivers on the server.
Awesome.
The M4, M3,
Guys, I think you're
manual
a bit-
is overtaking.
Wait, who's in the Lotus? Do you know?
So Yari.
Is he leading?
The Lotus is leading, yes.
Okay.
Because I crashed.
Yeah. Jerry is a...
Will you guys stop somewhere?
Oh man. One crashed. M4, please do not drift.
Should I share my screen for the person with the broken game with the FPS drops.
So will you stop somewhere so I can catch up? And I need to go at the front because I have no FPS. Like, I will cause more trouble at the rear because when people will brake, I will crash into them because my screen will froze. So I really need to go at the front.
And one is M5 for F80 crushed.
Okay, that's TRS. Hey Gustav, how much gigabytes you have in your video card? Graphic?
11.
Oh
Wait.
damn.
Which video card do you have?
2080 Ti.
Oh, nice.
But it's the
Wait, you have-
GDDR5.
You have fucking 11 gigabyte?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is 12.
Well, some people are catching up with me, like 3 or 5 people are driving into your way.
Where
How
are you?
much?
Are you one of the last or no? Oh. Possible crash.
Yeah.
No.
How much are you going?
Oh.
I don't see you, but I feel you because I have left FPS. I think I catched up.
M3
Same.
crushed.
Oh, there we go.
M4. I'm behind the M4 CS.
And I'm behind
Oh wait, you're the RS5. Nice. Thanks for yes. Thank you for waiting for me.
you. No problem.
Yes, you are away.
No, please, no.
How fast are you going, guys?
I'm going 120, 120, 100 now. No. Oh, fuck. Oh man. Okay, Ford.
Oh,
Have
thanks for
brakes.
crashing, guys.
Sorry. Wait, just.
Oh wait, I'm behind 130i. Who's that?
Not me.
Oh fuck, sorry.
Wait,
No brakes.
the M5 F80 is overtaking.
Stir.
Wait, I have to,
If 81 drive is insane.
Ooh. So now I'm behind you again.
yeah, I see. In the rear mirror. I have virtual mirror on.
I have my normal camera.
I don't have mirrors.
My mirror is pixeled.
You guys even have
Okay,
mirrors?
Ford doesn't have a good brakes. There M4 covered. It's just going straight to him.
But you're not driving a Ford, you're driving a Shelby.
Yeah, it's the same thing, man. Shelby belongs to Ford. As Corvette belongs to Chevrolet. Wow!
Oh.
I saw you inside of
100. When
Yeah.
Watch out, guys! Somebody crashed. Somebody crashed at the tunnel.
Guys, have you turned anywhere? Or just going
Why
straight?
is he braking?
yeah, crash again.
I'm gonna say go. Honestly.
How about to say this?
Gustav, are you going straight? You guys going straight?
Straight?
Yeah, like, no, you didn't turn anywhere.
Nope.
Okay,
Not yet.
thanks. Yeah, I'm catching up, I think. Because, oh, there is a goal. 7R.
M3 behind you, Gustav is trying to drift every time.
Yes.
The M40.
Convertible, you can try in front of me, everyone.
When I catch up, I need to be at the front, because I will cause more damage.
And M3 is going. Oh.
Because I will crash it, and my car crashes.
I would say, for instance, in the minimap, your arrows, the points, yes, arrows have to touch the ball just a little bit. It's a good.
Yeah, the other player.
Well, not everybody drives with it now.
Oh,
But
I'm going quer siehst du mehr. Do you have understand it? No.
What did you say?
Gehst du quer, siehst du mehr.
Ja, natürlich kenne ich das. Natürlich.
Of course. If you drift, you see more.
Yeah.
My tire is messed up.
Wait, 180 tire.
I had a tire like inside my interior.
Yes,
What? What? How?
it's a bug.
I was booking it. I was going like 140 trying to keep up with you guys because I had crashed in like the beginning, remember?
Okay. Thanks. 335.
Come to the front, just overtake them, Flo. And here in the front is everything so peaceful. I would
Yeah. And behind it there are only idiots.
say. Yes.
Man, you're driving on the left lane to
out,
overtake.
guys.
You're driving
G63
slow.
One is coming.
Are you guys in peace? Already?
2 minutes, then we're in pits. But we're just gonna drive.
Wait.
We're just gonna drive through. So we're gonna keep going.
I
One is
think I'm
overtaking
catching up.
everyone.
Yes, I'm catching
The
up.
M4 too. The M4 is overtaking everyone.
So,
I need to overtake everyone to be at the front because no FPS.
M5 is behind me. F80.
If it
Oh, no.
just crashed.
Oh no, oh no, oh no FPS, no FPS. Can I overtake?
I'm almost without stability control. I have no.
What the fuck is that Lexus doing?
One is going on the other side.
Guys, I was overtaking and the Lexus just pushed me over the road.
Yes, I don't know why. One is driving and goes straight. The M5 is overtaking us. Trying to overtake, but the M3 don't let him.
We're
I need to
pits
overtake
now,
everyone.
guys.
Wait.
We're going to the highway. Oh
Okay.
my god.
flying R8.
I think the Mini is AFK. Watch out.
Yes, I'm at the front.
I'm the board.
Who's in the Shelby?
I'm in the Shelby.
Okay, I'm gonna. Gustav, can I overtake?
Yes.
Thank you.
Just go to the highway.
So straight.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Lou.
I know the map.
Lieber.
No! Woo!
Nice. But this is Assetto Corsa, not real life.
I know.
So wait, the first 3 cars are 6-speed manuals.
Yes.
What a coincidence.
I got it.
Yeah, I seen it, yeah.
But this wheel the first and the last time I tried. First gear.
Are we gonna wrap down back to pits or something?
Wait, Gustavkti, let's make a drag race.
Now wait, let's stop at the gas station up here.
Okay.
There's a gas station.
Yes.
Yo, is there a way?
Yeah, I'm four.
Guys?
Damn it!
Chill out, guys.
Yes. Chill.
Just stop
Yo,
here.
guys,
Yeah.
is there a way you could like teleport to somebody
Nope.
No.
or something in this server? No. All right.
Let's stop at the pumps here. My legs. Also, I'm driving a manual with a broken ankle. I have my right ankle broken, yeah.